Hello, let us see what is trending in Google Trends today. Today is 16 May 2020. See, I opened Google Trends India and there are so many topics. Lockdown for my phone. See, this is interesting. My phone. What is my phone? Let's see. So, the question they are searching for, can COVID-19 survive on my phone? See, I clicked here and open this link. And this link says, can COVID-19 survive on my phone? Yes. Yeah, it is very risky. So what should we do? First, we have to unplug all the attachments, all the cables. See, it is saying like charging cable, USB cable, or any other cable. Okay. So the solution is you can simply use the disinfectant wipes. Disinfectant wipes you will get on Amazon. See, I'm searching for disinfectant wipes. Disinfectant wipes for mobile phones. See, it is showing lens cleaning wipes, screen cleaning sanitizer kits for smartphones, tablets, eyeglasses. There are so many options. It is costly. It looks 525. It is very costly. Lemongrass is 349, not deliverable. Okay. These are essentials professional cleaning. Okay, let's see. What is available. Call is wipes, lens cleaning wipes. Backup 60. Can we clean? Okay. Mobile wash, mobile sanitizer. Let's see this. What it is saying. It has three features: sanitizing, cleaning, deodorizing. 99.99% germ removal. It is safe and easy method to disinfect your phone. Okay, you can buy this, or you can simply go for. See what else it is saying. You can use paper towels too if you spray them with disinfectant. There are so many mobile disinfectants, so many disinfectants, so many. If you search for mobile sanitizers, spray mobile disinfectant. Yeah, already I searched. Mobile disinfectant spray. There are so many options available, so many. Buy whatever is available at your address. See, I got a doubt whether Colin can clean mobile phone screens. See, according to this, uh, whatever the description given here, it can be used only on tabletops, mirrors, glass windows, fridge, oven, cabinets, furniture, car windows. We should not take risk. And somebody asked here, somebody asked the question, even see here, glass, mirror, fridge, microwave. Can mobile phones withstand? Can we use it for laptops? Probably. Even they are not sure. Customers are not sure. Let's see. No, it's not mentioned. So Colin is not probably useful for mobile phones. Yeah. You can buy this kind of electronics cleaning kit. There are so many cleaning kits. You can buy them and use them. Yeah. You need to clean your mobile phone when it is coming into contact with virus. No. You can clean it once a day. If you are cleaning your hands, that is sufficient. Anyhow, do not take risk. Thank you.